Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver lecture on draw two intersecting line and mark the pair of the vertically opposite angle. Solution. First we draw two lines, line L and M and line P and Q. These lines intersect each other at point O. Now we get four angles. Angle 1 and 3 vertically opposite, and similarly angle 2 and 4 also vertically opposite. Find the size of angle in the given triangle. First we find the size of angle A is 90 and angle B is 40 degree and angle C is 50 degree. How to find? We put the protractor like that, 90 degree. Okay, similarly we put here is 40 degree. Now you can write like as angle CAB is 90 degree and angle CBA is 40 degree and angle ACB is 50 degree.